Hi, this is Dr. Manisha Dikshit from Pranayatan Ayurveda. Due to modern lifestyle, we are suffering from back problem and different spine problems. Ayurveda has a holistic approach, and Kativasti is a traditional Ayurvedic therapy to cure all these problems. So let us not waste time. Watch procedure of making of Kativasti and its benefit in this video. Kativasti is made up of two words. Kati means lower back and Vasti means retaining something inside. The procedure of applying heat to the lumbar or sacral region by retaining warm oil in a specially formed frame on this area is known as Kativasti. In this procedure, we used Vatanashak medicated oil like Mahanarayan tel, Prasarani tel, Sahachar tel, Mahavishgarbha tel, etc. It is very beneficial treatment for lower back pain, sciatica, herniated and ruptured disc prolapse, ankylosing spondylitis, spinal problems like lumbar spondylosis, spondylolisthesis, sacroiliitis, etc. The main culprit of musculoskeletal disorders is aggravated Vata, which create dryness, stiffness, pain and tightness in the affected areas. When Vata is associated with Pitta, it causes inflammation also. Some dhatus like Mansa, Meda, Majja are also involved in it. Every procedure contains three parts: preoperative procedure, postoperative procedure and operative procedure. Preoperative procedure is the preparation of the patient. Kativasti can be performed at any time of the day, but it is ideal to carry out the procedure in morning hours after evacuating the wall and bladder. The patient is asked to lie down on his abdomen with low back region exposed. Now the next part is operative procedure, means preparation of the frame. Take urad dal powder in a wide mouthed vessel and add some warm water. This mixture is then beaten well to form a thick paste. This urad dal paste or dough is rolled to mold it into an elongated rounded mass. After that, put some pressure on one side of the dough and the free ends of the elongated mass of the dough are joined to form a ring of approximately 5 inches in diameter. The frame is prepared now and the height of the frame should be approximately 1.5 inches. This frame is ready for the Kativasti. This dough is placed on the client's back on the affected part. The gap between the skin and the dough is sealed by pressing the urad dal paste against the skin. Oil is heated in a water bath up to 50 degrees centigrade and this Vatanashak medicated oil is poured into the frame. The upper level of the oil should be approximately 1 inch above the skin and it should be confirmed that the heat in the oil is tolerable. You can also do some massage in linear fashion on the spine and this massage is continued for approximately about 10 minutes. When oil gets cooled, you can use a gauze piece or cotton cloth to change or remove the oil. The oil poured in the beginning gets cooled as the time passes. When it gets cooled, it is taken out from the frame with the help of cotton gauze piece and fresh warm oil is then poured into the frame. The cooled oil is now kept in the water bath for heating and it will be reused later during the procedure of Kativasti. The procedure of heating with warm oil is continued for about half an hour and then the oil and the frame are removed. Now performs the massage by applying firm pressure in upward direction or by moving the palms in circular fashion. After the procedure, observe the patient for the symptoms indicative of proper effect of Svedana. After Vasti, ask the patient to take rest for about 15 minutes in supine position. Actually, Kativasti is not only repairs the damaged tissue but also rejuvenates the area. We use Vatshamak medicated oil for this Kativasti. These oils relieves pain, stiffness and inflammation, promotes better circulation, improves muscle flexibility and joint mobility. This procedure decreases stiffness and creates elasticity. This Kativasti also reduces muscular spasm. Kativasti is a gentle and soothing approach to lower back pain that is much beneficial than massage. Hope this video will be beneficial for you. If you have any problem, contact us. If you like this video, share it and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press bell icon for further updates of our new videos. Thank you.